This is the blue list. Number 1, Spain. I traveled to Spain over the summer. Number 2, stray. The stray cat was hungry, so I fed him. Number 3 is taste. I don't care for the taste of shrimp. Taste. Number 4 is grain. Wheat is the grain that is used in this bread. Number 5 is past. If you've made mistakes in the past, you can correct them going forward. Number 6 is brave. I can be brave, especially if I have a friend with me. Number 7 is stand. Every morning we stand for the pledge. Number 8 is tray. I put all the cookies on a tray for the birthday party. Number 9 is pail. I filled the pail with sand. Number 10 is scrape. I will scrape the old paint off the garage and then put fresh paint on it.